to see you back on my channel. This is your girl Sanvi, and if you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell icon to be notified each time I post a new video. So guys, summers have already arrived, and in summers, who likes to drink that hot milk? I cannot resist with that hot milk. So here I am with the recipe of two different types of milkshake. The first one is brownie milkshake and the second one is Oreo milkshake. Both of these milkshakes are my most favorite ones, and I hope these becomes your favorite too. So without any further ado, you should go and check onto the recipes, and I hope you like. So guys, the first milkshake we are learning today is brownie milkshake. It's super tasty, and if you like brownie, you should definitely give it a try. The quantity of everything I'm mentioning gives you 2 glasses. First you need to take 1.5 cup milk, 2 small brownie pieces, some sugar to taste, this is optional, some chocolate sauce, some vanilla ice cream, you can even use chocolate or any other flavor. And now just give it a good blend until it becomes frothy and bubbly like this. Now pour it in a glass. You can even decorate the glass with some chocolate sauce. Now put some more vanilla ice cream, some brownie crumbs. You can even use some coffee powder or anything you like. And next I've taken some broken Kit Kats. You can even take Oreos or anything you like, and just keep it like this. And with some more chocolate sauce, we're gonna finish this milkshake. I've also prepared one more glass with the same presentation. Do try this recipe and tell me how did it taste. It's an awesome recipe to beat the heat in this summer. So guys, now the brownie milkshake is done, and I hope you like the video. If you have any doubts या आपके पास इनमें से कोई भी चीज़ नहीं है, if you do not have something available with you, just it's a DM to be given, or you can even comment. I will reply you at the same time that वो नहीं है तो उसकी जगह आपको क्या यूज़ करना है. So now do not waste your time and go and check out the Oreo milkshake recipe. So for the Oreo milkshake, I have taken 1.5 cup of milk, some chopped Oreos. These are 5 chopped Oreos, and now I am adding some sugar to it. This is the normal sugar. You don't need to use some powder sugar, and sugar is also optional to add. Next I am adding loads and loads of vanilla ice cream. You can even use chocolate or cookies and cream flavor. The more ice cream you add, your shake will get more thicker and nice. So add it in a good quantity, around 3-4 scoops for 2 glasses. Now we're gonna just give it a blend. If you like some chocolate sauce, you can add chocolate sauce also. Now just keep blending it until it becomes nice, bubbly, frothy, and just looks like a milkshake, and all the Oreo cookies are crushed. So you can see my milkshake is done frothy and bubbly. And so now I've removed the blender, and this is how your milkshake should get ready. Take a glass. You can even decorate with chocolate sauce, and now pour the milkshake into the glass. And so now I fill this glass. I am taking my second glass क्योंकि मैंने प्रथमेश के लिए भी बनाया है. Pouring the milkshake in that too. And so now we are putting some vanilla ice cream on both of the glasses, so that whatever toppings we put, this can get settled on it. You can even put some whipping cream or whatever you like. Put the same amount of vanilla ice cream on other glass also. You just need to put one small scoop of it. And now the froth, I had some froth in left over, so I'm putting that froth also, so that no one can assume that there is vanilla ice cream in it. Now put some more chopped Oreos, because it's Oreo milkshake, so why not Oreos. Doing the same on other glass also. You can just take one Oreo and crush into small pieces and add it on it. So now you can serve it like this also, but I am decorating it more with some more items. So in that more items, सबसे पहले I have is brownie crumbs. The ones brownie I used while making the brownie milkshake. Those same brownies crumbs, I have some, so I'm just pouring them also on it. It tastes awesome. So just a little bit on top. Same thing for the next glass also. If you don't have it, it's totally optional. You can even add some coffee powder if you like, and this is totally optional. If you have to add it, it tastes awesome. And so after brownie crumbs, last but not the least, I am adding some sprinklers. These are mixed sprinklers, colorful ones. These look so cute on a milkshake that I can't resist adding them. So if you have, you can add. If you don't have, you can just drink the milkshake simply. Do not garnish it also. But garnishing makes it look more attractive. That's why we do it. And now your milkshake is ready to drink. I hope you like the recipe. Do tell me which one is the best, brownie one or Oreo one, and do try it. It's an awesome recipe to beat the heat in this summer. And more recipes coming on your way. See how delicious it looks. देखते ही मुंह में पानी आ जाता है. एंड गर्मियों में तो अगर आपको ये पीने को मिल जाए तो मज़ा ही आ जाए. गरम गरम दूध से छुटकारा मिल जाएगा. इतना ठंडा ठंडा चिल्ड विथ एनी फ्लेवर you can make. If you want more, do comment. I'll try to make more. So guys, now Oreo and brownie, both the milkshakes are ready, and I just love them both. Brownie one also and Oreo one also. Almost they taste the same, but if you like milkshake, then you should surely try this recipe out. These both are my favorite, and whenever you make them, do share me the pictures on Instagram, and my Instagram ID is displayed on the screen also, and also it's in the description. Do check out. I'm waiting for your recreations. And now if you like this recipe, do give me a thumbs up, which is also known as like. Do comment below which one did you like the most, or which recipe you will try first, and also do share my videos to your friends and family. Also subscribe to my channel if you haven't yet, and click that bell icon to be notified each time I post a new video. I'll be back with yet another new recipe or a new video or a new challenge or maybe a new vlog. Nothing is decided yet, but till then, this is Sanvi saying a goodbye.